First off, primarily I'm a jewelry artist. I'm working on some stuff right here, right now. Just yeah, some last minute works. But with Gi Matan Guma, I guess mm, I'm I'm a fluent speaker of Chamorro as a first language. So I guess like I act as a language consultant oftentimes. Yeah, and I was also raised really traditional, and so with my insight and lived experience, I'm able to kind of help inform some of the practice and curriculum development. I've been fortunate in my life to grow up around hut builders, canoe carvers, cultural uh, practice keepers, and it's so far been a really fun opportunity and privilege to fulfill my responsibility as a holder of these pieces of knowledge. Uh, it's been really fulfilling to be able to share it in Guahan and out here now in Turtle Island as well. And uh, the more and more we share, the more and more we we the more land we cover, we just the more connections we make and the more we realize how similar our cultures are. And it's it's uh it's really cool to be able to connect with people through culture, but even deeper than culture at a basic human level, and especially everyone's super cool, super welcoming, very talented artists, others who hold their culture and their people close to them. And it's yeah, it's an honor to have a part in all of it.
Awesome. And has it sort of, is it affecting you and your art in any way? Are you changing? Are you like growing through any of that experience?
Yeah, yeah, it inspires me to continue, definitely. When I see, you know, the effect that the work that we do has on people, especially when I compare it to, I guess the general state of cultural, uh, what's the word? Literacy,
Mm. Mhm.
compared to about 10 years ago, and now it's I can see the little ways in how my contribution makes a difference. So yeah.
Awesome.